All right, so today I'm gonna fix the blower on this HydroHoist. All right, so the HydroHoist, the blower in this one is bad. It's burnt up, so I'll pop a picture or something in just a second. Long story short, this is a really simple fix, so there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do this yourself. There's two different blower motors that they make. One is the high performance and one is the standard. The standard one is the one that's used most often, and the people on the phone told me that the high performance one is like it's a really rare one, so most likely you're gonna have the standard one. I think they're both the same as far as how to hook them up, but the first thing you want to start with as far as taking this apart is to take this screw out. So there's a screw that's on the handle. So you just pull that out, handle pops off, and obviously save those. And then these screws come out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The two that are on top of the GFCI here, those stay in. You don't take those out. And then this will pop off. And then inside, you've got this one connection. That's the only one that I have. So if yours is different, you know, if you got two motors or something like that, obviously it'll be different. This is just a single standard motor, your most common, but just disconnect that. You can set that to the side, and then this, there's 4 bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then this whole thing will just lift right up off the top. This is, from what I understand, the standard motor, and the standard motor is super common, and they make 2 of them, a high performance one and a standard one. And from what I've heard, the high performance one is super rare. And so I ordered the standard one and it looks exactly the same. So I'm pretty sure I'm doing the right one. But long story short, it looks pretty easy, but I'll run you through it. You can see mine burnt up somewhere there around those windings. Well, I'm not sure why my mic died, but oh, there's a nice bass right there swimming away. Okay, let's see if I can get him. You can see him right there. Let's see if I can get his ass. Come on, get in front of him. Dang, he didn't even look at it. Let's see, what we're gonna need here is my drill. So first thing is this needs to get unclipped. I've got a zip tie here I need to cut. All right, then I can get that out of the way. So we're looking at now pulling that connector off. Ooh. So we're gonna have to pull these off as well. So white, black. So white was on the right, black was on the left. Ground screw can come off. And then it's just a matter of taking these off. So you got this one and you got that one. At least mine does. You know, it's pretty straightforward, but just showing you because there's not very much information and you can do this yourself. So this should just come right off now. Okay. And here's the new one. So I'm trying to go ahead and set this up. It's the same. Boom, boom. And then go ahead and get that screwed on. And get that screwed on. Took the black off of this side, so I'm gonna hook it back up on this side. Just take a picture because I totally forgot and had to look back at the video. Anyways, black and white right there. And then this, what the hell did this plug into? I can't even remember. I know I disconnected that. There it is. And then this goes like that. Boom, just like that. And this will hook it back up, and I'll show you where this hooks back up, and then we just put it back together. It's pretty easy. Grab this and feed it through. Mind you, there are probably going to be nasty spiders in this, so keep that in mind. That plugs into this, so it only goes one way. And then all these come back out. The one that can trip you up is how to get this out. It's pretty easy, you just take that off. Slide this on, put that in place, slide that back on, screw that in. There's 4 screws here. Then obviously you've got your bolts that hold it back on. So these bad boys back on, and then we should be in business. Obviously turn the power off, you know, when you start, but so to lift, bada boom. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna let that do its thing. It's pretty straightforward. I don't see why you wouldn't want to just do this yourself. It's so easy, and they charge way too much money, these dock companies. It's 10, 15 minutes and you're done.